Now we are doing exercise 2.2, question number 3, A part. It is written you have to find the value of following. A part is this: 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. As you can see here, I have 297 in both the numbers. Actually, I have two terms here. First expression is this, second one is this. Both are joined with plus. As you can see in the next part, I have written the question also. In this, which number is in both? Here I have two parts of this question. No need to multiply these two numbers first, and in the second part, no need to multiply these two. We will do these questions by distributive property. In this, 297 is with both the parts. So I will take 297 out. As in distributive property you have done, 297 will come out and I will write 17 here. Which sign is here? Plus 297 with multiplication sign, it has come out, and you will write 3 inside the bracket and bracket closed. So this one is distributive property as we have done in the activity. You can think about it. If you are doing, if you are coming to this, how will you do? 297 will go with both the numbers. 297 multiplied by 17, then plus 297 multiplied by 3. As distributive means we are distributing this number to both the numbers which are inside the bracket. So what do you mean by distributive property? In which we are distributing a number to both the numbers which are inside the bracket. So when you will think reciprocal to this, you will get this situation. And when you have these terms, as you know, 297 is common in these two terms, take it out. So 297 with multiplication sign, it is with both the numbers, it will come out. 17 will come inside, then plus sign would be in between. This number has come out and you have 3 inside. Now, to avoid calculation, we are using distributive property. 297 as it is multiplied by, now solve the bracket, 17 plus 3, that would be 20. Just multiply 297 with 2, that will give you, look here, 2 sevens are 14, 1 would be carry over on the next, 2 nines are 18 plus 1, 19, 1 would be carry over on the next, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5, and 1 0 you will put at the back. So answer would be 5940. Now in the next, 81,265 is common. So I am taking it out. Again by distributive property, I will not multiply first part and second part separately and do the subtraction. It would be considered as wrong because we have to solve this using distributive property. So in this, you will write 169 minus, again in this term has come out. In this part, I have 81,265 common. So again, I will take it out with multiplication sign. So you are left with 169 in the bracket. Then you have minus sign in between, put minus sign, and again in the second term, this term has gone out, so you are left with only 69. So you can see here in this, you have to solve the bracket first. 169 minus 69, that would be 100. And now it is just simple calculation. It would be 81,265 ones are. That would be the same number, and I will put 2 zeros at the back. So answer would be this. It is question number 3, D part. As you can see here, it is very lengthy calculation. Again, I have two terms which are separated by plus sign. I don't want to do lengthy one. First, I will multiply these two numbers, then with 5. I want to avoid this. And if I want to use distributive property, one number should be common in these two. There is no number which is common. But when you will look it carefully, you will see there is a number 25. Can you break this number? Yes, you can write it as 5 5s are 25. Because my target is to take out one common number which should be in both. So I am writing all the numbers as it is, but I am going to break 25 as 5 5s are 25. Now if I am taking out 5, again my target is not achieved, because again I have to multiply bigger numbers, which is not my target. Think about something else. If I am going to multiply 5 with 769, 5 9s are 45, 5 6s are 30 plus 4, 34, 5 7s are 35 plus 3, 38. As you can see here, 3845. When you will club these two, you will get 3845, 3845. Means I can take these numbers out. So these kind of tricks you can use to use distributive property. So I am writing this as it is, plus this number. When you will club these two numbers, you will get 3845. Rest of the numbers as it is I am writing. Now I think it is your old question. You can easily see which numbers are common here. I think you can take both the numbers outside the bracket. So I am writing this number out with multiplication sign, or you can skip this sign because we are putting bracket here. In first term you have taken out these number out, so you are left with 782 inside, and plus sign there, you will put plus sign. Again these numbers have come out, so you are left with 218. Now 700, you have to solve the bracket first. When you will solve the bracket, 782 plus 218, 8 plus 2, 10, 10, it would be 1000. Now multiply these two numbers. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19. I think now calculation is very easy. You can do it directly. You will write the number as it is, because you have to multiply this by 1. And how many zeros you will put at the back? Yes, 3 zeros at the back. So you have answer. So you can see here we can get bigger answer without doing lengthy calculation. So distributive property will help you for this.